I am doing my box opening, and I got it cut so none of the addresses will be showing. A lot of protection here. Oh my goodness, okay. Oh, there's a little box and then she's in the other part. So let's see what's in here. This is nice.
Oh, you got that.
That's what she was in the pictures with.
Oh.
I remember that. That was on her head.
That was really cute. That's probably diapers.
Yeah, I think it feels like diapers. Yeah. Diapers. Okay, let's see what this is. It's all wrapped so pretty. Aww.
Oh, that's so pretty.
I needed headbands.
Oh my gosh.
How pretty.
I love that.
Gorgeous. And see, she puts all those on there, Bailey.
I love that. Oh my gosh. That is awesome.
Yeah, she's very talented.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's her regular passy. So she has two. And I don't know what this is.
Oh my gosh.
Another headband, maybe?
No.
No? Oh, it's a
Oh yeah.
crossbar holder.
Is it like the one she got me? Or she gave me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Trying to throw everything on the floor right now. It's gonna fall anyhow.
Yes, the bend. The struggle is real. Oh, that one's elephants too.
I know, isn't it pretty? I love it.
I love the
I
purple.
love this
elephant.
blanket, Amanda. I love everything in here.
I love the purple ones.
I love them
Being
all.
purple is my favorite color.
I love them all. Okay. Let's take a look at her feet. Let's see if I pull it up a little.
If you can. Oh, it's very.
Oh, look at her toes.
Oh, that is so cute.
Little bitty toes all stretched out. Okay. I'm pretty impatient here, y'all.
What does her onesie say?
It says Juicy Couture.
Ooh,
Yeah.
fancy.
But look at her little hands.
No,
They're so pretty.
it's precious.
No, she's not covered over her head. Okay.
Let's see it.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, look at her little face.
She's so precious.
She says, Mommy, I'm having a bad dream. Let's look at her head.
Oh, her little bald head.
She's so pretty. Look at her.
She's precious.
I love her. She's got pretty pink lips. Aw. Thank you, Amanda. She's perfect.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.